Hello everyone, welcome to Immigration Tube. My name is Sierra from Visa Place and we have a great video in store for you today. We're going to be learning a little bit more about sponsoring your immediate family members to the United States. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button up there so you're notified when we have a new video uploaded that could possibly help you out. So what do you say? Let's get started. Did you know that being an immediate family member to a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident, you are possibly eligible for family sponsorship and may have a U.S. green card waiting for you? Many people in the United States have family members living in other countries and wonder whether they can bring them here. To promote family unity, U.S. immigration laws allow U.S. citizens to petition for a spouse, child, or parent to come to live permanently in the United States. You are considered an immediate family member, which correlates to an IR number if you are the spouse of a U.S. citizen, the unmarried child under 21 years old of a U.S. citizen, an orphan adopted abroad by a U.S. citizen, an orphan to be adopted in the U.S. by a U.S. citizen, and last but not least, the parent of a U.S. citizen if the U.S. citizen is 21 years of age or older. The family-based immigration process generally begins with a U.S. citizen or permanent resident filing the Form I-130, which is the petition for alien relative. The I-130 petition establishes a qualifying relationship and is a request for a visa number. The attending immigrant must eventually apply for a green card via consulate processing or adjustment of status. To finalize the process, once the National Visa Center determines the file is complete with the required documents, they will schedule the applicant's interview appointment. The applicant will receive appointment emails containing the date and time of the applicant's visa interview, along with instructions including guidance for obtaining a medical examination. There are a number of eligibility requirements and documents needed depending on your specific case. And to learn more about your family member's green card interview, it's highly recommended that you visit our website at visaplace.com to learn more or book a consultation with one of our immigration professionals to explain thoroughly if you are eligible or if there's another pathway that is best for you and your family. If you or someone you know has any more questions or concerns about sponsoring your immediate family members, please contact us today and we can't wait to work with you.